Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the metronome so you can hear changes immediately. Open Project Settings Metronome. This is where logic isolates click behavior. Once there, switch between software click and audio click to access different sound sources. You do this because an audio file gives more tonal control while the software click is sample-based and lighter on CPU. Make sure the control bar metronome is visible so you can toggle playback as you tweak volume. Once done with basic selection, choose or import the sound you'll use. In the metronome pane, pick a factory click or drag a WAV/AF into the project. You can also load a sample into a sampler instrument for pitch and envelope control. You do this so the click complements your tempo and mix. Make sure to set separate accent and subdivision levels to emphasize downbeats. Then test while running a loop so you hear how the sound sits against your instruments. To finish, route the audio click to a dedicated bus so you can add EQ, compression, or reverb without affecting tracks. This helps you craft a click that cuts through. Save your settings as a template or save project settings so you don't repeat the process. If you don't hear the click, make sure the metronome is enabled. The click output isn't routed to a muted or disabled bus, and your audio interface outputs match Logic's I/O settings. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.